Oh, hello guys and welcome to this tutorial. This is next tutorial about how to program in Android Studio, and I'm super excited to show you the edit text because it's so super to make an edit text to your Android program. So let's get to it. Now, this is our button and we will use it for the edit text. So now I will pull the button down and yeah, like this. Super. And now when we have this button down, we go to our designer window here and get an edit text. So now we have a lots of edit texts. I will explain every single, but now we will get the plain text and maybe to the center of the view. And also in one video I will explain all the views and layouts, but now it's good as the okay. So now go back to the split and change. I will change the name whatever I want. So I will change it for something like uh, email, okay, or whatever you want. But I don't want to use a text, because when I use a text and you run the application, uh, you should backspace the text, because you don't wanna an email as your name or email. But when we wanna use the name, what should he type in here? We should use hint. So I will type hint like this, and the hint, it will be on the background of the view. So it's uh it's important to make a hint, not a text. So now it's good. And next, this is the input type. When we change the input type, it will be another item. So here, when I search for one more time for edit text, like here, this this difference in these items are only in the item values. So this is a password. So I will paste every single here like this. This is a plain text. Here is a password like this. And now the next is a password numeric. This is on the only difference in the numeric. So I don't paste that. Here is a email, then the phone address and other, but these are the importance and the number like that. So now when you run the application, you will see the difference in the edit text. So try it yourself, but I am going back to programming. So when you try it, you can remove the others and go back to split window and one email. So right here. Okay, now we will make something like when you create a text, you press the hello world button, and it will print what you write in the edit text. So now I will change this width value to match parent, only for aesthetic, like this, and pull it down to the hello world button. Okay, super. Now we have to make an ID. So ID will be edit text like that. And now we will make a connectivity and our main activity. And now I will also delete this long click listener and click listener. It was on reach for example. So I will make an tn.set on click listener, new view on click listener. Okay, and we will make a connectivity with edit text. So edit text, edit, and right here the edit is equals to find view by id error.id dot edit text. Perfect. When you don't know what it means, see my last video in for buttons, or how to make an on-click listener for the button. So now here we want to get the edit text value. So I will get the toast message dot make text and main activity dot this, and here the edit dot get text right here dot to string and dot trim. So this will get the value of the edit text. So this is so important and super useful. So, and the last is toast dot long and show. Okay, so when you press the button, it will get the value from the edit text. So now you can try it yourself, but I will go then. And now you can see when you don't type anything, it won't print nothing. So here is a problem. We should make an error when he typed nothing. So we should make an if statement, if edit dot get text dot to string dot trim is dot equals to nothing. This make an error. So edit dot set error like this. No text in the edit text like here. And when it not equals, so else paste this toast message like this. Perfect. Okay, so now when you run the program and click on the button and there's no text in the edit text, it will set an error, and when not, it will make an splash text. So now I connect my Huawei P30 and I will try it myself. So as it is Gradle while running, okay, and now when it's everything done, it will pop up the window with our changes. Installing. Okay, super. Now I will paste some text. Yeah, and it's perfect working. And when I nothing, it will make an error. So this is everything what you should know about the edit text. Edit text is very basic, but most important thing, because we should use it in every layout, every activity, in settings activity, options activity, and a lot of other activities. So in the next video I will explain the image view. So stay excited and bye bye.